have been selecting bean varieties that have increased levels of iron and zinc, the minerals. So we know that we have a problem in mineral deficiencies in our countries, and especially the zinc and iron. And these are very important minerals in human body. We are also basing on yield, because farmers would also like to have high-yielding varieties that can produce more, they can sell, and also we are looking at marketing characteristics of the beans, the color, the seed size, and everything that whoever would like to buy a bean will appreciate that. So we have been able to select 4 bean varieties that we think they have really good levels of these 2 minerals, iron and zinc, and also they have high yield, they are tolerant to diseases, and they can be beneficial to farmers. They can be sold, because we know that beans are not only for consumption within the household. Beans are a source of income. The farmers in the food hub that we are working, they are producing beans for home consumption, but they are also producing beans for marketing. By using these beans, because they have a little bit improved mineral content, the nutritional status of people in the village will be improved. The different stakeholders can take advantage of this, because we have, when we talk about bean stakeholders, the stakeholders are first, they are the producers themselves, which are the farmers, but other stakeholders are the business people who come to the village and buy beans. So they're taking advantage of that. They really appreciate to see their new beans, because they always want something new that can attract the market. These beans are also going to be used in the other component of the project. We have the milling component, and they are making composite flours, a flour that has mixed grain that is nutritious to the kids.